Embarking on a weight loss journey requires a holistic approach that combines a balanced diet, regular exercise, and smart lifestyle choices. In recent years, the use of aloe vera drinking gel, particularly from Forever Living products, has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, including aiding in weight loss. We will explore the reasons behind the buzz and how incorporating aloe vera gel into your routine may contribute to your weight loss goals. Understanding Forever Living products aloe vera drinking gel. Forever Living Products is renowned globally for producing high-quality aloe vera-based products. And their aloe vera drinking gel is no exception. Extracted from the inner leaf gel of the aloe vera plant, this gel is rich in essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. It boasts a myriad of health benefits, making it a popular choice for those seeking a natural and effective supplement. Aiding digestion. One of the key benefits of aloe vera gel is its ability to support digestive health. A healthy digestive system is crucial for weight loss, as it ensures optimal nutrient absorption and waste elimination. Aloe vera gel contains enzymes that aid in breaking down food and promoting smoother digestion, reducing the likelihood of bloating and indigestion. Balancing blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is paramount for weight management. Aloe vera has been studied for its potential to improve insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. By preventing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, aloe vera may contribute to reduced cravings and improved energy levels, supporting your weight loss efforts. Boosting metabolism. Aloe vera contains compounds that have been linked to increased metabolic rate. A faster metabolism means your body burns more calories at rest, facilitating weight loss. While aloe vera is not a magic solution for shedding pounds, incorporating it into a well-rounded weight loss plan may offer an additional boost to your metabolism. Hydration and detoxification. Proper hydration is often underestimated in weight loss journeys. Aloe vera gel is an excellent source of hydration, and staying well hydrated is crucial for efficient metabolism and toxin elimination. Additionally, aloe vera has mild laxative effects that can help detoxify the body, promoting a cleaner and more efficient system. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with weight gain and various health issues. Aloe vera contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. By addressing inflammation, aloe vera contributes to an environment more conducive to weight loss and overall well-being. Incorporating aloe vera drinking gel into your routine. Now that we've discussed the potential benefits of Forever Living products aloe vera drinking gel for weight loss, let's explore practical ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Start gradually. Introduce aloe vera gel into your routine gradually to allow your body to adjust. Begin with a small amount, such as a tablespoon per day, and monitor how your body responds. Morning ritual. Consider making aloe vera gel a part of your morning routine. Mix it with water or add it to your morning smoothie for a refreshing and nutritious start to the day. Stay consistent. Like any supplement, consistency is key. Aim to consume aloe vera gel regularly to experience its potential benefits. Consistency not only helps in adapting to the taste, but also ensures that you are providing your body with a steady supply of nutrients. Hydration boost. Use aloe vera gel as a hydration booster. Mix it with water, herbal tea, or coconut water to enhance your hydration levels, supporting overall health and well-being. Combine with healthy habits. While aloe vera gel may offer support for weight loss, it is most effective when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods and engaging in physical activity that you enjoy. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to aloe vera gel. If you experience any adverse effects or discomfort, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Consult with a nutrition coach. If you're uncertain about how to incorporate aloe vera gel into your weight loss plan or have specific health concerns, seek guidance from a nutrition coach or healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs and goals. Final thoughts. Forever Living Products aloe vera drinking gel has earned its reputation as a quality supplement with potential health benefits. While it can be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey, it's essential to approach it as part of a comprehensive strategy that includes a well-balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. Remember that individual responses to supplements may vary, and there is no one-size-fits-all solution to weight loss. Listen to your body, stay consistent, and seek professional guidance to ensure you are making choices that align with your unique health profile. Recipes and tips for incorporating aloe vera gel. Now, let's explore some creative and delicious ways to incorporate Forever Living Products aloe vera drinking gel into your daily routine. Aloe vera smoothie. Blend together aloe vera gel, your favorite fruits, such as berries, banana, and mango, a handful of spinach or kale, and a splash of coconut water or almond milk. This refreshing smoothie makes for a nutrient-packed breakfast or post-workout snack. Aloe vera infused water. Mix aloe vera gel with water and add a splash of lemon juice for a hydrating and detoxifying beverage. Consider infusing the water with cucumber slices or mint leaves for added flavor and freshness. Aloe vera green tea. Combine aloe vera gel with brewed green tea, a squeeze of lemon, and a touch of honey for a soothing and antioxidant-rich beverage. This can be a great alternative to sugary drinks while providing additional health benefits. Aloe vera yogurt parfait. Layer aloe vera gel-infused yogurt with granola, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey for a nutritious and satisfying parfait. This can serve as a wholesome breakfast or a delightful dessert option. Aloe vera detox water. Mix aloe vera gel with water and add slices of cucumber, lemon, and a few sprigs of mint. This refreshing detox water can be a great addition to your daily hydration routine. Aloe vera ice pops. Blend aloe vera gel with your favorite fruits and pour the mixture into ice pop molds. Freeze them for a tasty and hydrating treat, especially during warmer months. Tips for maximum benefits. Choose quality products. Ensure you are using high-quality aloe vera gel from reputable sources, such as Forever Living Products, to guarantee purity and effectiveness. Stay hydrated. Combine aloe vera gel with water or other hydrating beverages to amplify its benefits and support overall hydration. Balance is key. While aloe vera gel can be beneficial, it's essential to maintain a balanced and varied diet to ensure you receive a wide range of nutrients. Monitor portion sizes. Be mindful of the amount of aloe vera gel you consume. Excessive intake may lead to digestive discomfort, so start with small amounts and adjust as needed. Regular exercise. Pairing aloe vera consumption with regular exercise enhances the overall effectiveness of your weight loss efforts. Remember, individual responses to aloe vera gel may vary, so pay attention to how your body reacts and consult with a nutrition coach or healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Incorporating Forever Living Products aloe vera drinking gel into your diet can be a tasty and healthful addition, enhancing your weight loss journey with its potential benefits for digestion, metabolism, and overall well-being. While incorporating Forever Living Products aloe vera drinking gel into your weight loss journey may offer potential benefits, it's essential to remember that no single product guarantees success. Weight loss is a multifaceted process that requires a comprehensive approach, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. Before adding any new supplement to your routine, including aloe vera gel, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a nutrition coach to ensure it aligns with your individual health needs and goals. Remember, sustainable weight loss is about making long-term lifestyle changes, and aloe vera gel can be a valuable addition to your toolkit when used as part of a holistic strategy.